The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer 3500 is a powerful cleaning machine, delivering a force of 3,500 pounds per square inch and 2.4 gallons per minute. This pressure washer is equipped with a durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free N-COR pump backed by a 2-year warranty. It features a unique snow foam lance that directly sprays foam and allows for the use of various chemicals, enhancing cleaning performance. The device comes with 2 universal tips, a 0-degree tip for high-pressure cleaning of hard surfaces and a 25-degree tip for medium-pressure cleaning of softer surfaces. The pressure washer can draw water from a container if a water tap is not available, and it has a standard quick connect end for adding different cleaning attachments. This product, priced at $129.99, has received a high review score of 4.3 from over 1,000 reviews, proving its quality and reliability.